Here we come to the elevator at Parker Town Center in Plano, Texas. It's an older Dover Impulse. It wants to shut too. Go to 2. Door close button does not work. Another 1. Door closed. The door just closed that time. This is definitely an older Dover Impulse elevator. This is definitely an old Dover, I will say this. There's music playing upstairs. I mean, it wasn't like this just earlier ago. But look at this. These are all older Dover Impulse fixtures. If you don't know. See? All older Dover Impulse. Check this out. It's got the old metal bumper. I tried filming this elevator the last time, but I literally ran out of memory. So I finally get to come back here 4 or 5 months later. We finally came back and get a much better take this time. So we'll watch it close. There it goes. Oh, I forgot to show you one last thing. Listen to this. Hear the relays. All right, there it goes, and that's it.